In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a coloring book in Canva. If you're looking for a creative and engaging way to produce a coloring book, Canva is a fantastic tool that makes the process both fun and straightforward. Let's dive right in and see how this works. The first step is to head over to Canva's homepage. In the search bar at the top, you're going to type in coloring book. Canva, being the versatile platform it is, will present you with an array of templates specifically designed for coloring books. This is a great time to explore, scroll through the options and get a feel for the different designs available. You'll notice there are templates suited for all sorts of themes and occasions. Whether you're interested in intricate mandalas, child's play themes, or even abstract designs, there's something here for everyone. Once you've found a template that speaks to you, simply click on it to start customizing. This is where the fun really begins. Selecting Customize this template allows you to edit the design to fit your vision perfectly. Canva is all about user friendliness, so even if you're not a pro designer, you'll find it intuitive to use. You can alter elements like subheadings or page titles by clicking on the text, rendering your book personal and unique. Don't forget to have fun with the fonts and sizes, it's your creation. If you feel like adding a bit more flair, you can browse through Canva's extensive library of graphics. They have a plethora of illustrations and icons that you might want to incorporate into your coloring book pages. Just drag and drop them into your layout and resize as needed to make it perfect. Now, if your design includes any text elements, you can modify these to better suit your project. Perhaps you want to change the title of your coloring book, or add some instructions or a little note to your readers. Just click on the text box and you're free to tweak away to your heart's content. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to save it. Head over to the download button at the top right corner of your screen, click and Canva will give you various format options like PDF, JPEG or PNG. Choose what suits your needs best. A PDF is often the top choice for documents like a coloring book because it maintains the layout impeccably when printed. And there you have it, a beautifully custom coloring book, created entirely by you, ready to be printed or shared digitally. Whether you're designing for fun, for your kids, or even for a project or business idea, Canva's ease of use makes the process wonderfully enjoyable. We hope you enjoy making your coloring book and bring your ideas to life. Thanks for tuning in and we'll catch you in the next video.